Before you buy Thunder Prompts membership, you need to watch this video, because this is exactly where most people lose money online. Not because the tool is bad, but because they don't understand how tools actually work. And I know this, because I've been that person. I remember when I first started trying to make money online. I was buying everything. Courses, tools, software, anything that promised faster results. And every single time, I thought, this is it. This is the thing that will finally work. But it never did. And that's not because those tools were scams. It's because I didn't understand something very important. And if you don't understand this one thing, Thunder Prompts will not work for you either. The biggest lie in this space is simple. Tools make money. But they don't. Tools only amplify what you already know. Repeat idea differently, if you don't know how to create content. This tool won't fix that. If you don't understand your audience, this tool won't fix that either. So instead of trusting the sales page, I decided to test Thunder Prompts like a complete beginner. I logged in. And at first, it actually looked good. Clean interface. Different categories. Everything organized. It gives you the feeling that you finally found the shortcut. But then I started using it. And this is where things started to change. I picked a simple use case. Create a YouTube video script. I copied the prompt. Pasted it into ChatGPT. And waited. And yes, it worked. I got a script. It looked structured. It looked decent. But here's the problem. It didn't feel unique. This is something most beginners don't notice. AI-generated content, without customization, feels generic. Repeat differently, it sounds good. But it doesn't stand out. Even if you don't buy this, I'll show you how this method works, so you can apply it yourself. Let me show you something powerful. Instead of using a paid prompt, you can simply write this. Write a high-converting YouTube script with emotional storytelling, pros, cons, and honest tone. And you'll get almost the same result. So what are you paying for? Structure, speed, convenience. But convenience can be dangerous if you don't understand the fundamentals. Let's talk about how money is actually made. Because this is where most people go wrong. Making money online is not about tools. It's about a system. Explain slowly, attention, trust, conversion, repeat with examples. Stretch this section with YouTube example, Instagram example, affiliate example. Most people watching this will not make money. Not because they can't, but because they won't stay consistent. Black exclamation mark emoji. Emotional push, they'll buy tools. Feel excited for 2 days. And quit. So where does Thunder Prompts actually fit? Let's be fair. It does have benefits. Saves time, gives structure, helps beginners start, explain each with mini stories. Now let's talk about what really matters. Not a magic solution, still requires thinking. Output can feel repetitive, doesn't replace skill. This is where most people get disappointed. If you compare this to free methods, you'll realize something important. You're not paying for results. You're paying for speed. This is for you if you're willing to learn, you want structure, you will take action. This is not for you if you want instant money, you won't put effort, you're looking for shortcuts. So here's the truth. Thunder Prompts is a tool, not a solution. If you already have a system, it can help you grow faster. If you don't, it won't change anything. If you still want to check the link in description, take your time. Don't rush. And if you want more honest, no BS reviews like this, subscribe.